Hi guys, in this video we will learn about how we can create HTML pages of all the document string that you have it on the code. Okay, so how you can do it using the Python. So we will open a directory. As you can see, I added a code where I added some strings. Okay, so this will be our doc strings. And now what you need to do is this. So PyDoc -w and then give it a name. Okay, so I'm giving it a name of tut1. Okay, so you can see it created an HTML page over here, and so you can see we have it here. So this is a way how you can create or generate the HTML pages of all the documents that you have it. So you can see everything here. Okay, so I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching.